Greetings, my people. Blessed. Wonderful day. So when I say, yeah man, this is Star Seed. You don't know. You already mix up. Yeah man. So we're gonna get straight to the point. This is what I say? Yeah. I'm gonna tell you something now. Yo, you see gambling? Gambling is one of the wickedest crime. Remember me tell you that. When me say this, all the gamblers them supposed to fret. Them are worry. Them are sweat. Remember me tell you that. Alright. Here we go down now. Zane, I'm talk off of facts. Me say people we gamble. Remember me tell you say I'm not pretty something for them. Them have the last. What them have to go take for go pay them bills. And then take it and carry go give Uncle Sam. Yeah? Then carry it go give Uncle Sam. And when them lose half that money, then come back, them start sell everything out of them house. Remember me tell you that. Yo, all them pitney, remember me tell you have to be careful because they will sell all them pitney. Yeah. And people like them, they have to afraid of. Because them dangerous. When me tell you say them dangerous. Remember me tell you that. Seeing? And I talk off of facts. There are some people who have the last dollar in them pocket for buy them dinner. And them take it out about them and go flip it. Yeah? I flip them, just flip themselves upside it down. You shake them, nothing drop out of them pocket. Remember me tell you that. And then come and them tell you the wickedest set of lie. Yo, me say them tell us some lie. Me I tell us, remember me tell us, oh, you're sorry for them. You turn idiot and you will give them your last. And guess what? When you give them your last, then go straight back and do the same thing. Jesus and peace. What are people them wicked, man? Are really wrong with them people here? Eh? Remember me tell you that, you know. Me see it and me talk off of experience. Me see people have them car payment for make. Me see people have them light bill for pay. Me see people have them water rate for pay. And people got the money. And me say them take you and go gamble. Why? Remember me tell you that them go gamble. And you see when them lose and them broke, them come to you like say them go through one of the worst devastating thing. And them not tell you what happened. Them not tell us a gambling house them go. Them are going to tell you all type of different things. Remember me tell you that. Some of them take all water sweep on them mother, themself, them pitney. Man, me I tell you now, some wicked thing, you know. Yo, gambling man, nobody can tell me nothing, man. A past crime. Because I saw all the people will end up going to do things where them not supposed to do. I saw come robbery go on. I saw come killing go on. Because when a man broke and lose what him got and have nowhere to turn and him have a rent to pay him, I have to find it somewhere. So he then go tear down Uncle Tom's shop. Or he go rob a man. Or something or he can a man. Remember me tell you that. It's not something if you play with. People, let me tell you something. If you have a problem like that, get help. You need help. Because me know if you're fuck, I wanna know what me I talk about too. You see what me I say? When you're not broke, you know we do anything. Yeah. Remember me tell you that. They must sell everything them got. Yo, remember me tell you. It's a serious crime. Serious crime. Them work Sunday to Friday. Them get paid Friday, and by Friday evening, them broke. Even if they not take the money go gamble, them broke. Because the amount of bills where them have to pay. I mean, not talk about bills in them house, I talk about people where they have to pay back. And that and a half. Next week check, have to go pay more of them the people there. So a 2 weeks bill not get paid enough for that house plus back payments bill. Remember me tell you that, a judgment. Seriously. No, not for do better than that. Not for straighten up yourself and do better than that. That's not nice. Huh? Remember me tell you that. That's not nice. And now me if I go take my hard earning money and sorry for you and give it to you. But I may have good heart, but General Rastafari, trust me, if I have to go burn upon a one, you not get my $1. No, no. No Sankey no sing so. You hear me I tell you? Yeah. Me just say boy, I have to make a video about that one because it's a thing when me just say not too long happen and it happen over and over and over and over. How I really go on, star? Tell me what go on? Huh? And people will go in and give them loss. And boy, I don't know. Them can't learn. Them can't learn none at all. Believe you me. Eh? Boy, anyway, I'm gonna go and big up on yourself and bless up on yourself again, yeah? This is Starseed, yeah, the mix up. Until then, blessed, yeah?